Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is interesting. We see here the numbers for the PC shipments in the United States. So this is by Canalys, and this is actually the interesting graphic of the progression of PC sales from the first quarter of 2020, just as the pandemic started, and now until, of course, the third quarter of 2022. So, of course, PC sales came back to very, very high, almost record sales in the 2021, early 2021. And that actually came to sales that we would have seen like in 2011, 2010, before the decline of the PC sales. Now, of course, pandemic over, people going back to work, and also the fact that inflation and all sorts of other factors are creating distortion in the PC sales. But it is interesting to see that in the third quarter of 2022, PC sales declined 12%. That is interesting when you look at the PC sales. It's not that bad, actually, 12%, when you look at the previous quarters that had 14 and 23%. It is interesting to see that even though there's this decline, the PC sales are still quite good compared to the pre-pandemic moment. So this is very, very interesting to see these numbers. Biggest PC makers and the and shipments for the third quarter of 2022, 26.1% for Dell, then HP on second place at 22.7%. Apple with MacBooks and Macs computers are 16.7%, third place. Lenovo 15.4%. This is interesting because if you look at Lenovo, the decline year over year is 22%, which is huge. And they were actually at the top and now moved to the fourth place, actually. Kind of interesting. Apple is interesting because of all the companies that actually sell PCs, everybody is on the decline. Dell minus 17%, HP minus 23%. Yet Apple, 26.5% progression in PC sales. So they're selling more Macs. That is kind of interesting to see that they seem to be kind of popular in the computer side. So does it have something to do with Windows 11? I don't know, but it is definitely interesting to see that Apple is actually the only one pretty much that doesn't have a decline in PC sales. So these are the numbers. They're interesting to see, and we'll see as it goes to 2023. Will things pick up again or continue to decline? We're going to see. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.